Welcome to Curiosity, the podcast where science meets wonder. Join us as we explore the fascinating, the innovative, and the unexpected. From the secrets of the cosmos to the marvels of everyday life, each episode takes you on a journey to uncover the knowledge and stories that fuel our endless quest for understanding. Let your curiosity guide you.
Primates, our closest relatives. Primates, a diverse and highly intelligent order of mammals, have fascinated humans for centuries due to their remarkable similarities to us. They are part of the biological order Primates, which includes species ranging from tiny lemurs to large apes. Primates are distinguished by their advanced cognitive abilities, social behaviors, and physical adaptations that enable them to thrive in a variety of environments. Understanding their evolution, anatomy, and behavior sheds light not only on their lives, but also on the origins of humanity itself. The evolutionary story of primates begins approximately 55 to 60 million years ago during the Paleocene epoch. Early primates, known as protoprimates, were small, nocturnal creatures that lived in trees and resembled modern-day tree shrews. These ancestors adapted to arboreal life, developing traits such as grasping hands and feet, which were crucial for navigating the forest canopy. Over millions of years, primates evolved to have forward-facing eyes, enhancing depth perception, and larger brains, which supported complex problem-solving and social interaction. Primates are broadly categorized into two suborders: strepsirrhines, or wet-nosed primates, and haplorhines, or dry-nosed primates. Strepsirrhines include lemurs, lorises, and galagos, which retain many primitive characteristics such as a strong sense of smell and nocturnal habits. Lemurs, native to Madagascar, are especially diverse, with species ranging from the tiny mouse lemur to the strikingly large indri. These primates exhibit unique behaviors like female dominance in social groups and specialized diets. Haplorhines, on the other hand, include tarsiers, monkeys, and apes, and are considered more evolutionarily advanced. They typically have larger brains, better vision, and more complex social structures compared to strepsirrhines. Within the haplorhine group, there is a further division between platyrrhines, New World monkeys, and catarrhines, Old World monkeys and apes. This distinction arose due to geographical separation, with platyrrhines evolving in South America and catarrhines in Africa and Asia. New World monkeys, such as capuchins, howler monkeys, and spider monkeys, are known for their prehensile tails, which act as a fifth limb to aid in climbing and foraging. These primates exhibit remarkable ingenuity. For example, capuchins are famous for their tool use, such as cracking nuts with stones. Their social structures are diverse, ranging from solitary individuals to large, complex groups, and their vocal communication is highly developed, with some species having distinct calls for specific predators. Old World monkeys, like baboons, colobus monkeys, and macaques, are primarily terrestrial but still retain some arboreal traits. They lack prehensile tails, but their adaptability allows them to thrive in a variety of habitats, from African savannas to Asian mountains. Baboons, for instance, live in large troops with hierarchical structures where dominance plays a significant role in access to resources and mates. Macaques, on the other hand, display incredible versatility, inhabiting environments from snowy Japanese forests to bustling human cities. Among the primates, the apes stand out as the most closely related to humans. This group includes gibbons, orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, and humans. Apes are characterized by their lack of tails, large body sizes, and highly developed brains. They exhibit exceptional intelligence, emotional depth, and cultural behaviors, which will be explored further in subsequent sections. The diversity of primates, from their evolutionary origins to their behavioral complexities, offers a window into the adaptability and resilience of life. These animals not only inhabit diverse ecosystems across the globe but also showcase a wide range of cognitive and social abilities, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of their connections to one another and to us. The cognitive and social abilities of primates are among the most advanced in the animal kingdom, making them exceptional subjects of study for understanding intelligence and behavior. Their brains, relative to body size, are larger than most other mammals, a characteristic linked to their ability to solve complex problems, learn from experience, and adapt to changing environments. This intellectual capacity manifests in a variety of ways, from tool use and communication to intricate social dynamics. Tool use is one of the most striking examples of primate intelligence. Chimpanzees, for instance, are renowned for their ability to craft and utilize tools in the wild. Observations have revealed behaviors such as using sticks to extract termites from mounds, modifying leaves to collect water, and even sharpening branches to hunt small animals. These actions demonstrate not only ingenuity but also an understanding of cause and effect. Similarly, capuchin monkeys have been observed using stones to crack open nuts, a skill passed down through generations, indicating a form of cultural transmission. Communication in primates is equally fascinating, encompassing vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. Vervet monkeys, for example, have distinct alarm calls for different predators, such as eagles, snakes, or leopards. This specificity allows group members to respond appropriately to threats, showcasing an impressive level of semantic understanding. Great apes like gorillas and chimpanzees further extend this communicative repertoire. Studies with captive apes have shown their ability to learn sign language and use symbols to convey complex ideas, blurring the line between human and animal communication. Social structures in primate groups are often highly organized and hierarchical, reflecting their advanced social intelligence. In baboon troops, for example, dominance hierarchies dictate access to resources and mating opportunities. These hierarchies are dynamic, with individuals forming alliances and engaging in political maneuvering to climb the social ladder. Such behavior demonstrates strategic thinking and an understanding of social relationships. Chimpanzees exhibit some of the most complex social behaviors among primates. They live in fission-fusion societies, where group size and composition change depending on resource availability and other factors. Within these societies, chimpanzees form strong bonds through grooming, cooperation, and mutual support. They also engage in behaviors that suggest a rudimentary sense of morality, such as consoling distressed group members or punishing individuals who violate social norms. Orangutans, on the other hand, are more solitary but exhibit remarkable intelligence and cultural behaviors. In the forests of Borneo and Sumatra, researchers have documented orangutans using leaves as gloves to handle prickly fruits or as makeshift umbrellas during rain. These behaviors are not uniform across all populations, suggesting that cultural traditions play a role in their learning and innovation. Gorillas, the largest of the apes, display a gentler side despite their imposing size. They live in cohesive family groups led by a dominant silverback male who provides protection and leadership. Gorilla communication involves a combination of vocalizations, gestures, and even chest-beating displays to convey emotions and intentions. Their emotional depth is evident in their nurturing behavior and reactions to loss, highlighting the profound bonds within their groups. The intelligence of gibbons, often overshadowed by the great apes, is reflected in their remarkable vocal abilities. Known as the songbirds of the primate world, gibbons produce elaborate duets to strengthen pair bonds and defend territories. These songs are not random but follow specific patterns, demonstrating a form of musical intelligence unique among primates. As primates continue to be studied, their cognitive and social capacities challenge traditional notions of human uniqueness. Their ability to adapt to diverse environments, communicate effectively, and navigate complex social networks underscores the evolutionary significance of intelligence in the animal kingdom. These traits not only highlight their individuality but also provide valuable insights into the origins of human behavior and cognition. The evolutionary journey and behaviors of primates culminate in a profound understanding of their ecological importance and their increasingly precarious position in the modern world. Primates play essential roles in their ecosystems, acting as seed dispersers, predators, and prey, which help maintain the delicate balance of their habitats. However, these vital species face unprecedented threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and human activity, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts to ensure their survival. Seed dispersal is one of the most significant ecological contributions of primates. Many primates, including howler monkeys, spider monkeys, and lemurs, consume a variety of fruits and disperse seeds through their feces. This process supports the regeneration of forests, creating diverse and resilient ecosystems. Some plant species are entirely dependent on primates for seed dispersal, making their role indispensable for maintaining biodiversity. Primates also influence the populations of other species. As predators, they help control insect populations, and as prey, they provide food for large predators such as leopards, eagles, and snakes. This interconnectedness underscores their importance in maintaining the health and stability of ecosystems. The loss of primates can lead to cascading effects, disrupting entire food webs and reducing the overall resilience of their habitats. Despite their ecological significance, primates are among the most endangered groups of mammals. The destruction of tropical forests due to logging, agriculture, and urbanization has resulted in the loss of vast areas of primate habitat. Many species, such as the critically endangered orangutans of Borneo and Sumatra, have seen dramatic declines in population due to deforestation for palm oil plantations. Similarly, habitat fragmentation isolates primate populations, reducing genetic diversity and increasing vulnerability to disease and environmental changes. Hunting and poaching pose additional threats. In some regions, primates are hunted for bushmeat, while in others, they are captured for the illegal pet trade or killed as agricultural pests. This exploitation not only reduces population numbers but also disrupts social structures and cultural transmission within primate communities. The impact of these activities is particularly devastating for slow-breeding species like great apes, where population recovery can take decades. Climate change exacerbates these challenges by altering the availability of food and water and shifting the distribution of suitable habitats. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns threaten the delicate ecosystems primates depend on, forcing them to adapt, migrate, or face extinction. For species already struggling with habitat loss and human pressures, climate change represents an additional and often insurmountable obstacle. Efforts to conserve primates have become a global priority, involving governments, non-governmental organizations, and local communities. Protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, play a crucial role in safeguarding primate habitats. For example, the Virunga National Park in Africa provides a refuge for mountain gorillas, while Madagascar's network of protected areas supports the survival of its unique lemur species. Community-based conservation initiatives are equally important. These programs involve local populations in protecting primates and their habitats, often by providing sustainable alternatives to activities like logging and hunting. Ecotourism has proven to be an effective tool in many regions, offering economic incentives for conservation while raising awareness about the plight of primates. For instance, gorilla trekking in Rwanda and Uganda generates significant revenue that funds conservation efforts and supports local communities. Scientific research and education are also vital components of primate conservation. Long-term studies, such as those conducted by Jane Goodall on chimpanzees and Dian Fossey on gorillas, have provided invaluable insights into primate behavior and ecology, inspiring global conservation efforts. Education programs raise awareness about the importance of primates and the threats they face, fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship among people worldwide. In understanding primates, we not only explore the rich diversity of life on Earth, but also reflect on our own origins and the shared evolutionary history that binds us. Protecting these remarkable creatures is not just an ecological necessity but also a moral imperative, ensuring that future generations can marvel at the intelligence, social complexity, and beauty of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom.